Man, say, man, we just fresh off the vacation, man. You know what I'm saying, man? Get that out of here, you know what I'm saying? But look, hey, let's get into this review, though. First off, I just want to say this. RollingLoud is not for people who are, how you say the word?
Claustrophobic.
I believe, you know what I'm saying? If you don't like being squished, this is not the event for you. You don't need to go. Tell me that. Stay your butt at home. You feel me? It's not an event for people that don't like wild crowds. This is stuff for wild people that's off of drugs.
This motherfucker is tight. People is getting agitated. Let's please give them some space up front, please. Back up, 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 back up.
Let's just talk about the experience. I mean, the experience was just crazy. You feel me? Like, if you really a die-hard concert head, this is the event for you. I don't know what you're waiting on. I mean, you have Playboy Cardi, you got Lil Wayne, you got, you know what I'm saying, Kevin Gates, you got, you know what I'm saying, the biggest artists there that can come to one event, and you've seen them all in 3 days. Now, what I spent on this was an arm and a leg. I'm not gonna lie, but it was worth it though. I'm not gonna lie, it was worth it. But I highly recommend you getting VIP. VIP. General admission is cool, but to get the full experience, you wanna go and do VIP. General admission is also cool. It was my first time, but general admission has you like about 20 feet from the stage. Like I could honestly just see the artist like he was a little action figure. So I highly recommend VIP. When you're on VIP, you close up to the artist. You're even more closer to the artist. You get a better experience with that. That's why I highly recommend you buying VIP. Now VIP can range to almost, I want to say $600 to $800, depending on how much you want to spend. General admission is just like $400. That's what I did. Moving forward, I kind of want to get into who this event caters to. Who is this event for? So I just want to say, you know what I'm saying? If you don't like mosh pits, if you don't like being trapped and suffocating and hot, this is not an event for you. All right, this is not an event for you. Don't buy a ticket. Don't buy a ticket. All right, it's not an event for you if you're not known to go into concerts where it's getting loud and rowdy and full of calamity and, you know what I'm saying, a lot of drama. This is not the event for you. This is not a play. This is not. We're not going to go see people play violins and guitars and sing-alongs and sit down. We're here to watch people jump off the stage, fireworks. You know what I'm saying? Fireworks going everywhere. Fire on the stage. You know what I'm saying? People are lit. People are off drugs. People are off of alcohol at this event. This ain't no type of sit-down type of event. This is where you go to have fun. You know what I'm saying? So, I'm just saying, don't bring your girl. Definitely don't bring her. You know what I'm saying? This is something you want to go with your buddies. Get a rope and tie your friends to it, all right? Get handcuffs. You don't lose people when you in the crowd, in the mosh pit. You don't necessarily have to be in the mosh pit, but you will get ran over and you will be in the mosh pit. That's all I gotta say. I'm keeping it real. I'm keeping it G with y'all. Player to player, pimp to pimp. This is how it goes. You know what I'm saying? Feel me? The top performers that was at this 2023 RollingLoud. I mean, first and foremost, I'm gonna have to give it to Lil Wayne. I mean, I'm not just saying that because I'm a huge Lil Wayne fan, but I'm just gonna say, like, the performance was just memorable, epic. You know what I'm saying? He actually gave the crowd what they wanted to hear. Like, Wayne did not lack. I mean, if to me, Lil Wayne personally is number one. That's the go to hip hop to me. You know what I'm saying? I personally like Lil Wayne and how he just flows in his lyrics and stuff like that. Like, it was crazy. And the best part about it, he brought the queen out with him to RollingLoud. I mean, how often are we gonna see Lil Wayne perform on stage? I mean, it's epic. You know what I'm saying? I mean, Lil Wayne just brought the fire to the stadium. You know what I'm saying? Hey, it was out of Lil Wayne or Travis Scott, but I seen Travis Scott about 50 times. I had to go see Wayne, you know what I'm saying? When's the next time we gonna see Wayne on stage? You feel me? Like, it's Lil Wayne, bro. One of the GOATs of hip hop, you feel me? Dude ran 2010s right along with Jay, right along with Ye, you know what I'm saying? And then Drake, you know what I'm saying? This is the dude that made Drake. It's Lil Wayne, though, you know what I'm saying? Then he brought out the Queen, which was so surprising. That's the thing about RollingLoud. They bring out special guests. So, you know what I'm saying? You really getting your money's worth when you're there. Like, the performance had me in a chokehold. And it was like, I was a part of some type of cult, bro. Like some cult or something. Like, what is wrong with this man, bro? Like, I was just like wanting to pour bleach on my eyes. Like, why? Why? I didn't agree with it. No. Disturbing. I gotta talk about one of the performances that really kind of like bothered me in a way. Now, Uzi has always been, you know what I'm saying, that guy that, you know what I'm saying, came out, you know what I'm saying, everybody is about like 500,000 people in the audience, you know what I'm saying, like actually trying to watch Uzi. Now, I was in general admission and I was actually fighting for my life at this event. Now, Uzi had this, I'm going real detail with this performance because this performance really stuck with me. Uzi had crosses on stage, he had mannequins. But the thing is, it's more than meets the eye when it comes to the camera. So I'm just say this, RollingLoud, if you've seen some RollingLoud footage of his performances, they didn't really show you everything that went on at that stage. I mean, just imagine, you're in a mosh pit, you're squished up with 100 people. You know what I'm saying? You actually thinking like, dang, like I'm stuck here. I can't move. So, you know, he had his white trampoline there. You know, he had his little goth thing. If you ask me, Lil Uzi and Playboi Carti is like a walking around Hot Topic, like the store. You know what I'm saying? You going in there, it's all gloomy and doomy. That's the same type of feeling they give you when you're watching their performances. So what they didn't show you was, in the background of his performances was this movie called The Terrorizer, where this guy is, I don't know, I never seen the movie, but the guy specifically in there was chopping body parts and chopping legs off and arms and killing women and some weird stuff. And I was like, oh, I ain't really messing with this. Like, mind you, you know what I'm saying, this performance has kind of opened up my third eye. I don't know what Uzi had going on, but he wasn't Lil Uzi Vert. He was more like Lucifer, you feel me? So, like, this performance was really, really wild. But, you know what I'm saying, Uzi was pretty much kind of one of the biggest performances there. You know what I'm saying? We love Uzi, but, you know, the best thing about Uzi is we love his weird side to him, too, as well. I mean, he did his thing. Like, I noticed, like, after the concert, I'm sitting in the mirror hitting Just Wanna Rock 100 times, you feel me? But, you know what I'm saying, he rocked the stage, he did his thing. You know what I'm saying, I'm a Young Nudie. I was looking forward to seeing Young Nudie. Young Nudie did his thing. He played a little bit of his new album, Gumbo. He did his thing. I like Young Nudie. He came out. So it's a lot of artists that you will see at RollingLoud that, you know what I'm saying, you never really heard of or seen, but the people that are around you will get you to like the music even more. It's like when people are on stage, when these artists are on stage, it's like they feed off that energy. It's not like it's so much energy going around when you're in the crowd with people that, you know what I'm saying, it embraces you to like actually enjoy the music. And that's the thing about concerts, it's what I love. You know what I'm saying? Coming from a concert head, a person that goes to concerts all the time. You know what I'm saying? So, you know, that's me, that's my perspective on it. You know what I'm saying? Moving forward, like, would I go back? I mean, yeah, I would. You know what I'm saying? I feel like RollingLoud was really, really fun. The rides, the people, just meeting new people. Like, if you really want to just meet people from all over the place, I feel like this is the event for you. I actually made a couple of new friends. You know, I only went with one friend, but I actually made a couple of people that was there. And, you know, it was pretty fun. You know, you meet people from, you know, all over the states. You know what I'm saying? And I kind of want to say I met some people that were, you know what I'm saying, not even from the States, but, you know, it was an experience. It was just fun. You know what I'm saying? Through my experience, I would definitely give RollingLoud a 9 out of 10. I wouldn't say 10 out of 10. I actually say it was 10 out of 10 if I really would have bought VIP. But if you want that VIP experience, that 10 out of 10, you need to do.
Yeah.